today is out there doing something, making a change with purpose, which I think is something that is very commendable.
That's amazing to hear. Another aspect of this is that there's a lot of talk that youngsters leave India, go abroad, enjoy life there, contribute to those countries. You've taken a conscious decision clearly of not just being here, but helping India grow, helping India in every way you can. Why did you take that decision? Was it a conscious one that you said, I'll be rooted to India?
I mean, I don't think that's a decision at all. This is my home. This is where I grew up. This is where I belong. These are my people. And yes, I went abroad for university, but it was never a doubt that I was going to come back and work here. My family is here, and this is where my home is. And any change or any efforts that I wanted to take in terms of starting a business or even my non-profit, I knew would always be back home in India. So.
Tell me some of the stories. With Project Naveli, you worked at the grassroots level. Can you share some of the most impactful stories that you've seen on ground in different villages, maybe?
I think many stories. We work a lot in entrepreneurship and financial independence for women, and I think something we have seen is how being financially independent can change a woman's life, can change a family's life. And we've met multiple women across India, whether it's in metros or whether it's in rural parts of India, who have participated in our programs. And I think a story that we are very emotionally connected to is a woman who was from Gujarat, and she was part of Seva Association, Self-Employed Women's Association, and we worked with them through our entrepreneurial program. And she lived in very tough circumstances with an alcoholic husband and wasn't an earning member of the family. But once she started earning, one day she went home and her husband was drunk, and he came to kind of hit her, and she just raised her debit card. And I think that really stood for what financial independence can do for a woman and what it can do for a family.